Do you have a dream of permanently having an experienced technician who supports your newly recruited employees? Are you worried that someone might forget an important action during a corrective or preventive maintenance? Would you like to reduce the reaction time of your teams? Do you think it is an illusion to have precise, detailed and well-written reports for each corrective maintenance? VeoCoach, software developed by Veolia, gives you an effective response to all these requests. VeoCoach is an active maintenance assistant software. It is conceived for corrective or preventive operations and training. The objective of this software is to direct and advise the technician as well as to release him from all the miscellaneous and administrative tasks, such as having to write an event report, to call technical support, or to look for documentation. Finally, this software makes it possible to drastically reduce reaction times and mistakes as well as to overcome the lack of knowledge. How does this easy-to-use software works? Here is an example. We see here a technician who uses VeoCoach to guide him during his preventive maintenance. The system will indicate all the maintenance to be carried out using images, videos, or text. After performing the action, the technician will validate that the requested action has been carried out correctly. VeoCoach will then indicate the next action to take. Tangibly, how does it work? For example, after scanning the QR code of the installation to be maintained, the technician will choose the type of maintenance he wants to perform: preventive, corrective maintenance, or training, and from there, the rest is taken care of by VeoCoach. VeoCoach will clearly indicate step by step which action to perform using text, but also images or videos which will indicate very precisely the action he must perform. VeoCoach will also be able to offer multiple choices, which is very useful, especially in the context of corrective maintenance, in order to guide him very precisely toward the right decision. The system can also download the appropriate document for him without having to search for it. Meanwhile, without the technician paying attention, VeoCoach writes a live report indicating all the actions performed as well as the timings. Along the way, the technician will be free to add written or dedicated information to the report. He can even add photos that VeoCoach will automatically integrate into the incident or preventive report. VeoCoach is also able to communicate independently. It is able to send text messages, emails, or make phone calls without outside help. For example, it can call a technical service by itself and explain the situation encountered. This therefore allows the technicians to free himself from his administrative obligations. At the end, the report is sent automatically. This report was written by VeoCoach with the description of the incident or the equipment that was maintained, a detailed description of all the actions performed by the technician, all the photos and remarks taken along the way during the operation, as well as the timing of each of the actions. The recipient of the report receives, with almost no action from the technician, a detailed and a complete report after each preventive, corrective maintenance or training. VeoCoach is thus like an experienced technician who accompanies, advises, and helps your employees in all their technical actions and administrative tasks.